It's Monday and I didn't get a vlog recorded yesterday because, as I mentioned on Instagram, my husband did have the camera to shoot a music video in another town with his friend, so which was fine because the kids and I spent the day doing art project. We just spent the whole day together, so that was really nice. My count this week is 50 charms to make for orders, and then I also need to make gnome clubs, which I didn't count how many Sweet Gnome clubs I received this month yet, but usually it's around 30. It's a very busy week. And I also need to ship out an advent that is sculpted. It just needs glazed and packaged and shipped, so it needs to go out like tomorrow or the next day. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started with my day. Our mailbox was quite full today. I ordered more clay and I was completely out of green, or dark green. So with the holiday season coming up, it was definitely something that I needed to get restocked. But as well as getting more green stuff I needed for the shop, I also got living doll clay, which I've wanted to try for a while, but I just had no reason to. But my mother is getting married the 26th of this month, so she's marrying a wonderful man that we all like very much, and I offered to make her to sculpt her a wedding table topper. It's not a cake topper. She's actually not having cake. I made one for my sister's wedding, which was last month actually, and I'll pop in some photos here to show you how that turned out. And I am very excited. The theme, well, there's really not a theme for Mom's wedding, but she did request beachy type stuff in the sculpt. So I have spent a little bit of the morning while the glaze was drying on the advent charms, sculpting some little sea creatures, and I will be using some seashells that we collected while on vacation in Florida with her this summer. I think that will make it just a really special piece. I also received a very beautiful gift from my friend Shauna. She included a note and some yarn, and we do a club together, 2 clubs actually every month, and she sent me one of the colorways because she said that she knows how much I like Halloween, so she thought that I would really like this colorway, which I do. So thank you so much, Shauna. I absolutely love it. And then I'm part of the mystery club with my other good friend Joanna from the Gnome Knitter, and it's her Princess Cupcake Club. This was her last month doing it, and it was Snow White. So it is absolutely beautiful. I love it, as I love all of Joanna's charms, and Joanna, because she is just the sweetest person. So while the Advent charms dry, I'm going to run some errands with Adam and Rory. So, yeah, we're going to be doing that, and then I'll come home and get back to work. What are you drawing, Will?
Enderman.
Enderman? What is an Enderman from?
Minecraft.
It's Minecraft? Do you want to show us your zombie pig?
Man. Zombie pig man. That's what it's
Oh,
called.
zombie pig man, sorry.
That's huge.
Did Mommy help you a little bit with that one?
Yeah.
Just a little? You did such a good job, buddy. Such a
Can we
talented
wait
artist.
until my Where is the more white? Okay, done.
It's perfect, William. Are you proud of it?
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
there's a little bit of white.
You did such a good job, buddy.
There's still a little bit of white.
Do you think everyone's gonna like your picture?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so too. They're gonna say, you're so talented.
Can I bring it to school?
Yeah.